Hello friends, welcome to Health and Gardening. In this video, we are going to see some information regarding tea plantation and its types and processing of tea. Tea is one of the most sought after beverages in the world. It is consumed across the globe from Asia to California. There are thousands of different types of tea and hundreds of regions that produce leaves, flowers and spices that make their way into teacups. The tea growing process is carefully monitored and tailored to produce quality tea with specific flavor profiles. There are two main categories of teas are available. One is true teas and second one is herbal tisanes. True teas are made using the leaves of plant known as Camellia sinensis. Herbal teas are made from a variety of flowers, spices and herbs, but don't contain any leaves of the tea plant. In order to understand how tea is grown and produced, it is easiest to focus on the true teas. There are four types of true teas are available. It includes white tea, green tea, oolong tea and black tea. All four types of true teas are derived from same exact leaves. The differences in these teas arises during the production process. Some teas such as black tea are oxidized while others like white tea are simply sun-dried. These minor differences result in big flavor and odor differences. Qualities of teas are also varies depending on the notion that region, soil, climate and growing conditions affect flavor. Tea plants grow best in cooler climates with rainfall amounts of at least 40 inches per year. These plants prefer acidic soils and can be cultivated at different altitudes. The plants are currently grown at sea level and up to altitude of 7,000 feet. Plants at higher elevations grow more slowly and develop more complex flavor profiles. The main producers of tea are China, India, Sri Lanka and Kenya. China and India are produced more than 60% of world's tea. Tea plants must reach an age of 3 years before leaves can be harvested for tea use. Tea is harvested mainly by hand because it preserves the quality of the leaves. Harvests typically occur twice per year. The first harvest is known as the first flush and occurs each spring. The second harvest takes place in summer and is referred to as second flush. The plants are constantly pruned throughout the year by picking just the top two leaves and buds. This keeps the plants in early growth stages and promotes new shoots and maximize harvest outcomes. The tea production processing centers are located on the same site of plantation because the leaves begin to undergo oxidation as soon as they are harvested. Different levels of oxidation are the key to different types of true teas. Oxidation is essential in the production of true teas. Oxygen reacts on a cellular level with organic matter and results in changes in appearance and taste. It's the same process that causes bananas to turn brown or metal to develop rust. In tea production, tea experts closely control the oxidation process to create their desired type of tea. White tea is least processed of true teas. The leaves are harvested and simply sun-dried, and this minimal production process results in a delicate flavor profile. Green tea is partially processed tea that is light yellow or green in color. The flavors of green tea can vary from nutty to grassy depending on the production process. The process includes steaming or roasting and then a repeated step of rolling and then finally drying. Next is about oolong tea. Oolong tea is only semi-oxidized, that means it is oxidized but only for a short period of time. This undergoes same basic production process but difference arises in amount of time during which the leaves are allowed to oxidize. Next is black tea. It is extremely popular and it is the most oxidized of true tea varieties. It has dark brown and offers a bold taste similar to coffee. So by enjoying tea, be a part of centuries-old traditions and methods that fine-tune the flavor profiles and appearance of each leaf. Tea isn't just unique based on the plant used to make it. Minor adjustment to the production process can take the same leaves and create exquisite and contrasting flavor profiles. Alright friends, I am concluding this video. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and give your suggestions in comment box. And thank you for watching.